Hello gentlemen, have a great day. This is page number 87. In this diagram we can see the baffle types. 1.62 is deflector plate baffle. We can see the arrangement of a deflector plate. And 1.63 is offset deflector plate baffle. And 1.64 is slotted deflector plate baffle in the left side of the diagram. Slotted deflector plate. Then V baffle we can see 1.65 and 1.66 perforated plate V baffle. Then angle iron reflector, angle iron is there. This is the angle iron reflector, baffle reflector. And 1.68 is hydraulic barrage baffle, hydraulic barrage. The next one 1.69 is compartment baffle. This is the compartment baffle. In top of the diagram, here you can see the dry pipe baffle. The steam inlet is both side. Dry pipe is available in the top. Steam goes to the top through the perforations, and drain is available in the bottom. So the next question: why are the deflectors or compartment baffles necessary? Answer: for low steam release rates, a V baffle or single vertical baffle is adequate. But for higher release rates, deflectors or compartment baffles are necessary for separation. Question: when is a hydraulic barrage installed? Answer: these type of baffles are installed to control excessive foam or spray formation. Question: how does it perform this job? Answer: it creates a successful high velocity screen or certain through which steam must pass in order to exit. As a result, the water particles losing their kinetic energy by successive impacts with the curtains fall off and steam escapes dry. Question: what is the cyclone separator? This is an effective device to harness steam water separation by utilizing centrifugal forces. In cyclone we can see in this diagram both of sides. This is the cyclone separator. Next question: how does it do so? Answer: it imparts the steam water mixture as it enters the drum. A rotary motion which develops a centrifugal force that destroys the foam bubble, eliminates spray and separates out solid particles. What is steam washing? Answer: it is the process of rinsing the separated steam with steam condensate or fresh, relatively clean feed water. Again, what is steam washing? It is the process of rinsing the separated steam with steam condensate or fresh, relatively clean feed water. Question: what is the purpose of steam washing? It purposes it to condensate out resolved silica from steam as well as to wash out impurities carried over by steam. Question: how much of silica carried over by steam can be eliminated by the process of steam washing? Answer: as much as 90% with proper washer. Question: what are the ways to reduce silica condensate to silica content of steam leaving the washer? Answer: increasing the stage efficiency of the washer, adding more washer stages in series, increasing the ratio by weight of wash water to steam, washing the steam with water with lower silica content, reducing the silica content of steam entering the washer. Question: how many types of steam washer are in vogue? Answer: condensing type, wire mesh type, spray type, water scrubber type, hood type. And we can see first diagram condensing type. The scrubber is available and steam is goes through the condensing coils cooled by bottle feed water. So drain is available in the middle of the washer, steam washer. And next 1.72 is wire mesh type. In wire mesh type we can see the wire mesh SS wire mesh, and steam flow is goes from bottom to top. Secondary scrubber is available on the top. Wash water drainage is drained in below. Wash water is gives as spray in the top of the wire mesh. Perforated plates are available. So in next diagram we can see 1.73 spray type. In this spray type, this wash water spray is from the top, and scrubber is available on the below the water wash spray. Cyclone separator is available in the middle of the washer. So in the next diagram 1.74 is wetted scrubber type. So in the wetted scrubber type we can see the wash wetters distributor in the top of the diagram, and inclined scrubber is available, cyclone separator is available. So next diagram, hood type. Steam is circulated top of the diagram, and notched wire are provided. Reversing hood is provided. So feed water distributed from the lower side. Feed water is distributed inlet of the washer by lower. So the next question, how does the condensing type steam washer function? Answer, condensing type steam washer. In this device, steam is passed over condensing coils cooled by feed water flowing through them. Upon contact with the relatively cold metal surface of the coil, a portion of the steam is condensed, and this condensate provided a washing liquid for the rest of the saturated steam. The steam condensate is of higher quality than feed water, and hence possesses a higher affinity for silica. Thus, this kind of steam washer is quite effective for removing vaporized silica as well as the solid carried in the moisture and other impurities. Next question, what are the basic features are to be kept in mind while designing steam washer? Answer, they must provide for intimate mixing of washing liquid, feed water condensate with steam. They must be effective at partial load. They should have a minimal tendency to sludge. Multi-stage washing for higher efficiency. Question, what is steam scrubbing? Answer, steam scrubbing is analogous to filtration. The wet steam is passed between closely spaced corrugated plates or screens that collect the water droplets carried by steam. The mass of water collected on the screen is dropped by gravity to the water below the steam boiler drum. The scrubber eliminates most of the water droplets added to steam from spray and splatter. Also, it breaks up and eliminates dry foam. Question, how much water carryover by steam can be arrested by the scrubber? Answer, it can slash the water carryover by steam and down to 1/13th of the 1% of moisture at full load. Next question, on which factors does the efficiency of a steam scrubbers depend? It depends upon such variables as the surface area of scrubber, time of contact, velocity and pressure of steam, the shape of steam passage, sinuous passage. Various arrangements of steam scrubbers are available in the diagrams. So the scrubbers are provided, we can see in this diagram, in different arrangements. We can see the cyclone, We can see the reversing hood of the bottom of the diagram, and these are the various arrangements of steam scrubbers. That's it. Thank you.